What's going on, guys? Decelation and Brian.
What's going on, peeps? Blew by me.
Oh, you're good.
Back it up.
So today we've got a couple things. It's a little divide and conquer. Brian is going to be working on getting that side of the trans tunnel to fit nice and flat inside of the truck right here, because we were having issues with the pedal not being able to go all the way to the floor, and we can't. No, we can't have that. I want full throttle, so we're cleaning that up, making sure that the trans tunnel can fit nice and flush. Hopefully, we'll get to the point where we'll be trying to mount it as well.
Yeah.
Drill some pilot holes, mount it, see how it's really gonna sit. While Brian's working on that, I pulled out some, Noiko right there. So this is my heat and sound insulation. So I'm going to be kind of sealing the interior and putting that matting down. I'm probably going to try and put it for sure on the floor, and I'm going to see if I can get it on the ceiling of the truck. I'm not sure how well that's going to work out. It'll be a fun experience. So
yeah, definitely the floor and up the back.
Yeah, the floor and up the back
around the
where the exhaust is. Cut the heat off inside the cab a little bit. But yeah, so we're gonna start getting to work, and yeah, fun. Welcome back, guys. Brian?
Hey, what's up, peeps?
All right, so what did we do?
Well, we did a little grinding and smoothing on the driver's side of the trans tunnel. So I got to do some more fiberglass sanding, which is always my favorite thing. Didn't really mess anything up. Threw some of that bed undercoating on there to seal it up. So hopefully maybe we'll give him 40% throttle.
Yeah. No, 100%, Brian.
Yeah.
So, right. While Brian was working on that, I was working on getting the seats out. Well, Brian helped with that part. Getting the seats out, and then I seam sealed the entire interior, like where the joints are for aluminum panels, meeting aluminum panels, just to make sure we didn't have any water intrusion into the cab. So I did a full seam seal coat, both sides, and then I'm gonna, once that dries, it takes about 30 minutes, I'm gonna start laying down the noise matting and seeing what I can do with that. So, fun times. So we got a little 30-minute break before back to work. Ain't that right, Brian?
That is right. Brakes are good.
Brakes are good. Really good. But yeah, we'll catch you guys in a minute. It'll be a second for you guys, but it'll be 30 minutes or so for me because I have to wait for the seam sealer to dry. Welcome back, guys. Brian, what do we do?
What's going on, peeps? Well, we smooshed some stuff on the inside here.
Check a look at that. My goodness. So, yeah, pretty much done with that. And Brian and I were kind of sitting through and looking at the last little bit of parts. So we pulled all the boxes down right there. All those are the boxes remaining. And honestly, looking through them, it's not much left. So that means this truck's almost done. Which means, well, version 1 is almost done. Which means I need to get hot on getting this registered, because we don't have much left to do. After we finish that, so now we're got what we say, trans tunnel, seat belts, carpet, then seats go back in and the interior is done. Then we throw the dash in and we do the glass, and that's about it.
Yeah, those 2 windows aren't going to be hard to put in there either.
Yeah, so the side windows, we're holding off on that. That's not necessarily a requirement, and we're probably going to be only testing it. It's the winter time anyways, so and it's going to stay in the shop for most of the parts. So I want to get it registered driving before I even hassle with the side windows. So that's I know that's going to be a pain that needs to get done, but not right now.
And it's a pain. It's a pain.
It is a pain. So, but outside of that, yeah, it's nearly done. And so, all right, that's gonna wrap it up today. Like, we've been on this for quite a few hours, so tired.
And the mosquitoes are coming in like squadrons.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's time to go. So you're gonna be seeing us a lot more during the daytime outside, and as soon as the sun starts to go down, we're leaving.
He's not wrong. Like, I've literally knocked off like 40 mosquitoes off of me, and I probably have 10 more bites already. So, catch you guys later. If you like this type of content, comment down below, let us know, hit that like button, and subscribe, because we're almost done with this truck. So, have a good one, guys. Peace.
Take it easy, peeps.